Hello, my name is Mohammed, and today I'm going to discuss about a topic. It's called scale factor. This is very important topics. It comes normally for all grammar schools exams, and especially for the Kiwi boys, Essex grammar schools, Slough consortiums, South East consortium, Buckinghamshire. So it's very weighted for every paper is around 3 to 4 marks, and this is very easy and very simple topic. So what is a scale factor? So a scale factor is a number that is multiplied by the scale of an object to get another object that looks same but in a different size. So this is called a scale factor. If I say that this is a square, okay? This is a square, and how many? 2 centimeter each side. And what I say, this square size increase by scale factor 1:2. So it means the side increase by 2. So it means you need to multiply by 2 for the each side. So this is called a scale factor. So it means the size is doubled. Okay, so 2 centimeter. So what we do, we simply 2 centimeters times 2, because scale factor is 1:2. So whatever the number is given, you need to times by their scale. So 2 times 2, it means this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter. So any scale which is on a map, okay, but in reality is a different. Especially when you go to build any house, okay, first they make on a paper, okay, for the drafting, okay, they just sketching how we're going to make it, okay, then they will convert to the scales, okay, on the basis of a scale they will build the whole building. So this is called a scale factor. And the same as if I say there is a triangle, okay, if I say there is a triangle, and the triangle, for example, this is the triangle. If I say this is 2 and this is 4, and the scale factor is same, 1:2. So what you do, you simply, okay, the same triangle, okay, it looks same, but the size will be increased by scale factor 2. So 4 times 2 is 8, and 2 times 2 is the 4. So the new triangle size increased by 8 centimeter by 4 centimeter. This is called a scale factor. And also give you the quick example, then I go for exam papers. So if there is a grid, okay, the grid, like I would say, how this is the grid, okay. So if I say that there is a square, okay, what if I say there is a square, this is a square, can you enlarge this square 1:2? Okay, so what you do, okay, so simply you need to increase, there are 2 grids using, okay, horizontally, so you need to use 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 times is 4. So it means when you using a scale factor, the size will be increased by 2. So 2 grids, double 2 is 4. And the same as vertically as well. So it means, look at there, okay, 1, 2, 4, and there is 2. So it means 2 grid using here, 2 grid using here. So when you times here, 2 times 2, which is 4. And look at here, 2 times 2 is 4. So how many grids we are using? How many number of small box here? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So same square, okay, but increase by size with a scale factor of 2. And if they say scale factor increase, okay, by 1, 2, 3. So what you do, okay, you need to simplify 2 times 3, 6. Instead of 4 grid, okay, 4 small square, we're using 6. 2 times 3 is 6. So all has to be 6. So this is called a scale factor. And now I'm going to take another example. So in this example, if I say that what the question, the scale of a plan which is 1:250, what is the actual length in meters? Represented by a line on the plan which measure 40 mm, okay, which is 40 millimeter. So the question, it says what? The scale of a plan is, they are giving a scale which is 1:250. So any number they are giving, okay, increase by 250, okay. What is the actual length in meters, okay, represented by a line on the plan which is measure 40 mm. So it means they are giving you one millimeter, okay, scale which is equal to 250 millimeter, okay, but they are asking answer in meters. So what you do, okay, so first you need to calculate 250 times, very simple, okay, so 250 times 40 millimeter, okay, because 1 equal to 240, so how much, okay, 40 mm on the basis of this scale. So what we do, okay, so 25 times 4, which is 100, and how many 0? 1, 2. So this is answer in millimeter. but they are asking answer in meters. We know that 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. So it means we need to divide by 1000. So it means your answer will be 10 meter. So if the scale is 1:250, so simply you time by 40 to get the answer in millimeter and divided by 1000 to get the 10 meter, which is, so if there is a scale, okay, in a 40 mm, okay, 40 millimeter, okay, so on the basis of this scale, okay, what is the actual size, which is 10 meter. Now I'm going to take another complex example. So and it says a square was enlarged by the scale by the scale by the scale 2. The new square has sides of 10 mm. Find the area in centimeter square of the original square. So what? The square was enlarged by the scale of 2, okay? Scale of 2, so scale factor of 2. So it means the scale factor 1:2. The new square has sides 10 millimeter. Find the area in centimeter square of the original square. So basically the new square size 10 millimeter. So the new one, this is the new square, okay? Each side is 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. This is 10 millimeter. And this is 10 millimeter. The new size, which is 10 millimeter, find the area of centimeter of the original square, okay? So this is not the original square, this is the new one, okay? So we need to work out how many mm for the original square, okay? So what? The scale factor is 2. As per last example, what you did, okay? If I say the scale is 1:2, okay? And the square is 2. So what is the new size. So what you do, okay, you simply 2 times 2, which is 4, okay. But in this example, they are giving you the new square dimension, which is 10 millimeter, and you need to ask, okay, what is the original square size first. So what's the original square size? Okay, so when you scale factor 1:2, you times, okay, when you're coming back from new to original, what you do, okay, which is 4. If I say the scale factor is 1:2, coming back from the original shape, so what you do, you need to simply divide by 2. So what you divide by 2, get the original shape if the scale factor is 2. So what I'm doing, okay, simply I'm going to for original square, so 10 divide by 2, 10 divide by 2, and 10 divide by 2. So it means the original square 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter. And what? They are asking answer in centimeter square. Okay, so what I'm doing, okay, I know that what millimeter to centimeter. Okay, so what I'm going to do it, okay, so simply I need to divide by 10. Because 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. So millimeter to centimeter. Okay. So what I'm going to divide by 10. So it means this is 0.5, 0.5, this is 0.5. So original square side 0.5 centimeter. We converted 0.5 centimeter. And as per the formula for square, okay, for the area equal to what? Simply equal to L square, okay, because all sides are equal. So what we do, okay, A equal to 0.5 times 0.5, which is A equal to 5 times 5 is 25 and 2 decimal places, so it means this is centimeter square. So this is your final answer. So the question was, okay, a square was enlarged by the scale of 2, okay, and the new square has size, the new square is a size 10 millimeter, okay. Find the area in centimeter for the original square. What we did, okay, we simply, okay, draw a square with the 10 mm, okay, on the basis of a scale factor. We back to the original size, okay, divide by 2 till you get the 5 and convert to the millimeter to centimeter, which is 0.5 centimeter, okay. And simply you need to times length times width, okay. These square, it has the all our sides are same, so 5.5 you get the 0.25 centimeter square. So this is your final answer. So if you like this video, please leave your feedback and see you in the next video. Bye bye.